Trending na naman sa social media ang mga panibagong videos ni Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards mula sa Box Office Entertainment Awards. Kinilalang box office king at queen sa pelikula sina Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo para sa nagbabalik na Box Office Entertainment Awards na ginanap nitong Linggo May 12 sa Henry Lee Irwin Theater ng Ateneo de Manila University. Si Alden ay box office king para sa pelikulang Five Breakups and a Romance na pinagbidahan nila ni Julia Montes, habang si Catherine naman ang box office queen para sa pelikulang A Very Good Girl kasama si Golden Globes nominee Dolly De Leon. Kinakiligan ng mga fans ang pag-alalay ni Alden kay Catherine sa nasabing event.
What an honor to be here tonight. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So this wouldn't be possible without a very good girl. So I'd like to thank my Star Cinema family and my ABS-CBN family for entrusting this project to me despite all the challenges. To my bosses and to everyone, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And I'd like to share this award to Peter San Vargas, the nearest P, or directors, because he killed it. Maraming salamat na unti-unti na pabalik natin yung mga tao sa sinihan at ang laking bagay na A Very Good Girl doon. ABGG is a project that will always be close to my heart because of what it represents. A brave material about powerful women. It's about women who are not afraid to go after what they want and to fight for what is right. Hanggang sa matapos po namin i-film na ito, yung mga lessons na iniwan sa akin ito, I will be bringing them to my heart, to my life. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng lessons. And lastly, I'd like to acknowledge my fellow actors and the people behind the camera who share the same passion and goal. We are celebrating so many wins tonight, and this moment is proof that together, we can keep the Philippine cinema alive. Maraming salamat.
2023's box office king, congratulations, Alden Richards.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is James Mendoza.
Ko lang po yung mic. Baba po. Ayan. Ano po sa lahat? Gusto ko po magpasalamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Foundation and of course to the award-giving body para po sa recognition na ito. Hindi po ito sasarilinin dahil marami po kaming parte ng pelikulang Five Breakups and a Romance. So nagpapasalamat po ako first and foremost po to GMA Pictures, to Cornerstone Studios, and Myriad Entertainment. And sa lahat po ng sumuporta, sa lahat po ng black screening, supporters ko po, maraming salamat para sa inyo to. And siyempre, I would like to also to share this award sa aming pong director at writer na si Direk Irene na magkakaroon po ako ng recognition when it comes to the box office. So this is a blessing and sana po marami rin po akong ma-inspire pang ibang mga aktor na kagaya ko na gumawa ng mga kalidad na pelikula at at ang maging intention po lagi at ang kanilang motivation is to bring back the glory days of Philippine cinema. Para po sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin, at syempre para sa industriya na pinagkakautangan po nating lahat ng malaking utang na loob. Muli po, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po. Thank you.